In this video, I am going to discuss about the types of hydrogen bonding. In previous video, I have discussed what is hydrogen bonding, how it is formed, what are the conditions required for the formation of the hydrogen bond, in which molecule hydrogen bond can be formed. So we know the examples of some molecules, water molecule, HF molecule, but other molecules like HCl molecule, HI molecule, HBr molecule, in that molecules there is a no hydrogen bond. So what is the reason behind with that? In HCl molecule, then in HBr molecule, hydrogen bromide molecule, HI molecule, there is a no hydrogen bonding. This is because the hydrogen which is bonded to that electronegative element, the size of that element will be larger, and the electronegativity of that element, it is comparatively lesser as compared to the oxygen and fluorine. So particularly hydrogen bonding is involved in the molecules where oxygen is there, where fluorine is there. But in case of the HCl, HBr and HI, there is a no possibility of the hydrogen bonding. Now let us going to be discuss the types of hydrogen bonding. There are two types of hydrogen bonds. First one, it is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding. And second one, it is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So what is intermolecular hydrogen bonding? Intermolecular hydrogen bonding. This type of the hydrogen bonding takes place between different molecules of the same or different compounds. When hydrogen bonding takes place between the different molecules of the same or different compounds, it is called intermolecular hydrogen bonding. For example, water molecule, alcohol, ammonia molecule. Let us show this. So this is intermolecular hydrogen bonding in ammonia molecule. The three hydrogen atoms here covalently bonded to the nitrogen atom. As nitrogen is more electronegative, it is having the electron pair, so it carries the negative charge. Now it is bonded with other ammonia molecule through hydrogen bonding. So this is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. The two same molecules, that is two ammonia molecules, are linked together through this hydrogen bonding. So there is hydrogen bonding between nitrogen and hydrogen. Dipole-dipole interaction is there. This hydrogen carry, this hydrogen of this ammonia molecule carry the positive charge, because electrons of the hydrogens are shifted to this nitrogen, so it will carry the positive charge, and this nitrogen of this ammonia molecule carry the negative charge. So there is a hydrogen bonding between the nitrogen of this molecule. Nitrogen of this molecule. Let us show this. Nitrogen of this molecule, which is more electronegative than hydrogen, so it will carry the negative charge. And this nitrogen now it is linked to the hydrogen of the other ammonia molecule. Other ammonia molecule where this hydrogen will carry the positive charge. So in this way, this type of the hydrogen bonding, it is called as intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay. So see here, intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Now intramolecular hydrogen bonding, the hydrogen bonding which takes place within a molecule itself. Intra means within, only in that molecule. The hydrogen bonding which takes place within a molecule itself is called intramolecular hydrogen bonding. It takes place in compounds containing two groups. Actually, molecule is one, but that molecule containing the two groups, such that one group contains hydrogen atom linked to an electronegative atom. One group contains hydrogen atom. Suppose that OH group. So in OH group, hydrogen is bonded to the oxygen. Hydrogen, it is linked to the oxygen, which is electronegative atom. And the other group contains a highly electronegative atom linked to a lesser electronegative atom of the other group. For example, salicylic. Let us write this example here, salicylic. Okay. It is salicylic. See, so let us draw here the structure of salicylic. So it is represented in this way, salicylic. Okay. So see here, and another group, it is a OH group. Okay. So this oxygen, this hydrogen, it is linked to this oxygen. It is a covalent bond. But now this hydrogen, it is linked to this oxygen atom through the hydrogen bond. Let us represent this in the better way. This aldehyde group. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. So see here, there is a carbon, double bond, oxygen, salicylic. Now this hydrogen of this OH group, it is linked to this oxygen, and it will carry the negative charge and it will carry the positive charge, dipole-dipole interaction. So this type of the bonding, it is called as intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay. This is called as intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So let us show this intramolecular hydrogen bonding. It takes place in compounds containing two groups, such that one group contain hydrogen atom. So in salicylic, OH group, hydrogen atom is there, linked to an electronegative atom, that is oxygen. And the other group contains a highly electronegative atom linked to a lesser electronegative atom, that is oxygen. It is linked to the carbon atom, which is less electronegative. So such two groups are involved there. The bond is formed between the hydrogen atom of the one group with the more electronegative atom of the other group. So such type of the bonding, it is called as a hydrogen bonding. Let us see here. Okay. Orthonitrophenol. The example, it is orthonitrophenol. So you can see here the structure orthonitrophenol. So see here, orthonitrophenol. See, this is phenol OH group. hydrogen, it is linked to this oxygen through the covalent bond, it is more electronegative. So two groups are there. This is one group which containing the hydrogen which is linked to the more electronegative oxygen, and this NO2 group, nitro group, orthonitrophenol. So at ortho position the nitro group is there. Now this oxygen, it is linked to the less electronegative element nitrogen here. And now this hydrogen, now this is covalent bond. This is covalent bond. And this hydrogen of this group, it is linked to the oxygen atom of this nitro group through this hydrogen bond. You can see here. So this type of the bonding, it is called as a intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Another example, it is salicylic. Already we have taken this example. Salicylic, you can see here. OH group, this is. Then this is aldehyde group. So this hydrogen linked to this oxygen, where oxygen, it is attached to the carbon of the aldehyde group, less electronegative. So there is a hydrogen bonding here. So this is also called as intramolecular hydrogen bonding. These are other examples which are given here. Orthobenzoic acid, there is a hydrogen bonding. Okay, orthobenzoic acid. So this is about intermolecular and intramolecular hydrogen bonding. The examples of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, it is water molecule, HF molecule. So when hydrogen bonding takes place between the different molecules of the same or different compounds, it is called intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So what is the difference between the intermolecular hydrogen bonding and intramolecular hydrogen bonding? Intermolecular hydrogen bonding, it is in between the two molecules. Either that two molecules will be same or they will be different. But intramolecular hydrogen bonding, it is in the same molecule. It is in the same molecule. And the examples are salicylic, orthonitrophenol. So this is about the intermolecular hydrogen bonding and intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Thus in this video, in this lecture, we have been explained about the types of the hydrogen bonding, that is intermolecular hydrogen bonding and intramolecular hydrogen bonding.